Your smartphone holds the ability to organize and improve your day-to-day routines. What if it could help manage your electrical equipment too? With the new digital logbook in EcoStruxure Facility Expert, now it can. By simply scanning a QR code, you can get immediate access to equipment lifecycle status, service records, and documentation wherever you are. It helps support the digital transition, part of our EcoStruxure apps that create a digital representation for daily operations, helping you to be more efficient and smarter with your operations. With a simple scan using Digital Logbook, you can retrieve a detailed maintenance report, single-line diagram, or installation drawings, enabling straightforward asset management with no need for paper documentation. Information is securely kept within the Schneider Cloud, providing a reliable and effective touchpoint for your service teams and partners, wherever they are. You can gain insights in just a few stress-free clicks. From an individual piece of equipment, its location, to a complete overview of your installed base with views by warranty or obsolescence status. A deep dive on the equipment reveals maintenance records and project-specific documentation. With information at your fingertips, you can even enjoy easy maintenance scheduling without the paper-based processes. Just click and done. Digital Logbook equips you with the visibility needed to stay at the front line of business with smoother operations, saving time and boosting productivity. Discover Digital Logbook today by Schneider Electric.